Tri-County Dental Assisting Program is designed to provide the student with technical knowledge, manual skills, clinical experiences, and positive attitudes towards the work required to make the graduate a valuable member of the dental healthcare profession. A variety of learning approaches are employed in the dental assisting program. Students participate in a lecture, a lab, and clinical activities. Training begins in the technically current dental lab at Tri-County that consists of operatories, a recirculation/sterilization area, an X-ray darkroom, and a complete dental laboratory. Externships in dental offices in the community are required of every student enrolled in the dental assisting program. Upon completion of the program, students who have taken and passed the necessary tests to become certified in radiation health and safety and infection control through the Dental Assisting National Board will be prepared to work as a registered dental assistant in the state of Massachusetts. After working the necessary hours, the student will then be able to take the Chairside component of the DANB and become a certified dental assistant. Upon graduation from Tri-County, students will be ready to begin a career as a registered dental assistant in Massachusetts on their way to becoming a certified dental assistant through the national certification process. Students can go on to continue their education and study to become a dental hygienist. Many have gone on to dental assisting and hygiene. Others have chosen nursing, mental health care, biology, pre-med studies, engineering. A few have gone on to the armed services. The dental assisting program has been a shop where students have found a supportive environment.